Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Samsung Galaxy M04. And to do this, you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Inside, find an app called Notify Buddy and install it. When it's ready, open your browser, Notify Buddy app, and then move to the next step. Grant 3 permissions for the app. Last right here, battery optimizations can be skipped, so let's proceed. And now we can start using the app. There's 4 different tabs: User, System, Active, and the Settings. In User, you can select any apps to allow for custom LED lamp notifications. In System, you can do the same, but with all system-bound apps. In Active, there's all apps that we've just activated, and in the Settings, we can change anything about our LED lamp, like a size, shape, or a placement on the screen. Now let's click on the test button, and right here you can find the LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.